So, what exactly is the cloud? And what does it have to do with you? And with me? And, well, with her? The cloud is all about sharing and online storage. It provides instantaneous access to your files, photos, email, music, videos, and more. People often use a cloud shape to describe this grouping of data and machines. And this cloud can be accessed by any device with an internet connection, anywhere. Suppose a friend has sent you a picture to your web-based email account, such as Outlook.com or Gmail. Well, those pictures are stored in the cloud. In other words, not on your physical computer. Now imagine you're having lunch with another friend and you want to show them those pictures. Well, you can use your smartphone to access your email, and you're using the cloud. In essence, every time you access something that isn't stored on your PC, you're using the cloud. Now that you're familiar with what the cloud is, we can begin to explore Office 365. What is Office 365, you ask? Well, Office 365 is a collection of services hosted in the cloud, including online versions of the Office applications you already use on your desktop, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. So even if you're new to Office 365, you'll be up to speed in no time. The real power of Office 365 lies in the fact that it is hosted in the cloud. This enables you to connect, share, and collaborate with others. As part of Office 365, you are provided with online file storage called OneDrive. You can use your OneDrive to store all of your files securely and safely, and to share them if you choose to. Using Outlook and Lync Online, you can easily connect with others, including online meetings, video conferencing, and screen sharing. And you can do this from anywhere, even from your smartphone. We will look at all of these elements in the following modules, but let's now take a look at some everyday use cases of a day in the life using Office 365. Meet Alison. She works as a manager in marketing at our Melbourne office. She manages a team of 14 people split between Melbourne and Sydney, prompting a few commutes between the two cities in any given month. Alison's excited about working in the cloud and the possibilities it can bring to her world. Here's what a day in a life would look like for Alison, powered by Office 365. Alison drives to the train station near her house, parks, and makes it just in time for a train bound for the city. On the train, Alison uses her tablet to check the latest news headlines, scans through her office email, and takes note of any important meetings. Alison receives an instant message on her tablet via Lync. It is one of her team members, Chris, asking for her to review a presentation that he'll be delivering that day. Alison clicks on the OneDrive link that he has provided and is able to provide feedback right in the document that Chris can see immediately. Alison sets up her laptop at a hot desk in the office. Soon she's reading a few incoming emails, replying to the urgent ones, when she sees a message from her leader, Tim, in Sydney, requesting some data for a report he is working on. Alison launches the document from SharePoint, initiates a video call with Tim, and shares her screen with him to walk him through the figures he needs. Confirming that this is what he requires, Alison then sends Tim the SharePoint link via email to ensure that he is working off the same document. Alison returns to her work, and through this, instant messages some of her team members and colleagues, having some quick questions answered and clarified on the spot. Alison initiates a video call with her team in Sydney to check in on how they are faring. Satisfied that everything is ticking along well, Alison decides it's time for a quick lunch break. While buying some sushi, Alison receives a call that her daughter Kate is unwell and running a fever. Alison quickly messages her leader to say that she'll be working from home the rest of the day. Alison fetches Kate, brings her home, attends to her needs, and puts Kate to bed. Alison then sets up her laptop and starts catching up on the emails she's missed during the time she's been away. She replies to some and readies to attend the online meeting she set up earlier in the day. Just as she ends the meeting, she sees a call from her P&C business partner, Rajesh, on the laptop. Alison talks to Rajesh on approving a job advertisement to be advertised on LinkedIn. She then proceeds to finish up her work, ensuring that the latest versions are updated on SharePoint. It is the end of the workday, and Alison checks in on Kate and then proceeds to start preparing dinner for the family.